Here's how to fix the microphone not working on Discord Mobile. If you're using an iPhone or Android and your microphone isn't working, follow these steps. 1. Test your microphone in Discord. Open the Discord app. Join a voice channel by selecting one, e.g. is General, and tapping Join Voice. If you see a message asking for microphone permissions, you'll need to enable access. Enable microphone permissions. Open your device settings and tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to find Microphone and tap on it. Find Discord in the list and ensure the toggle is turned on. 3. Test your microphone again. Go back to Discord and join a voice channel to check if your microphone works. You can also test by sending a voice message. Open a chat in Discord. Tap the microphone icon at the bottom right. Hold to record a voice message, then send it. If the recording works, your microphone is now functioning properly. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.